The Happyyami Hand Tools 5 PCS Gardening Reaping Sickle Scythe set is designed for those who seek high efficiency and durability in their garden tools. Each sickle in this set is crafted with high-hardness materials, ensuring a sharp, precise cut every time. The fine workmanship and quality materials used in the construction make these sickles not only functional, but also reliable for long-term use. One of the standout features of these tools is the ergonomic handle. It is designed to be comfortable and non-slip, which means you can work for extended periods without experiencing discomfort or hand fatigue. The handle's durability further enhances its practicality, making it a sturdy choice for various gardening tasks. The design of the Happyyami sickles is both novel and environmentally friendly. The unique shape and design not only add to the tool's effectiveness, but also contribute to a more sustainable gardening practice. The ergonomic design ensures ease of operation, allowing even novice gardeners to use them efficiently without much effort. Whether you're cutting grass, weeding, or tackling other garden chores, these sickles offer an effortless solution. Their high-quality build and thoughtful design make them a valuable addition to any gardener's toolkit, promising both performance and convenience in maintaining your garden.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.